Our CES 2019 coverage is made possible by SuperO, Republic of Gamers, Arosi, EK, and Patriot. Hey everyone, I'm Andy Rafael from eTeknix.com, and while we were at CES 2019, we stopped by the ADATA suite. They didn't have a huge amount of products to show off, but one of them was very, very innovative. So instead of doing your typical RGB memory with just a single light bar along the top, what they've actually done is added lots and lots of addressable RGB LEDs along the sides of the memory. This means that instead of just having that single light bar, we have two sides of the memory that are basically an RGB light show. Now, they didn't actually give us too much information on this, purely because the memory modules themselves are still in production. So hopefully we will see them before Computex, but I guess there's still a long way to go if they weren't even able to share, even small snippets of information. The only information that we did have is that they will be branded as Spectrix memory, which is kind of what you'd expect being part of the XPG kind of RGB range of memory. But other than that, all we know is that we get a lifetime warranty, like we'd expect with most memory. We also get obviously compatibility with Intel XMP 2.0, as you'd expect again. And other than that, it has RGB. The only other key information that we do know is that it has speeds of up to 5,000 megahertz. The problem with this is obviously a lot of it comes down to the silicon lottery, so it will depend on your CPU, your motherboard and other components as to even if you can boot using XMP at 5,000 megahertz. We've had 4133 megahertz kits before that we've only really ever been able to boot to about 4,000 megahertz. So it's going to be really interesting to see what kind of platform they're aiming this memory at. Other than that, yes, it's all going to be about the aesthetics. So you could go absolutely crazy with the colors, or you could have it just a single color. It's entirely up to you. Hopefully we will get some more word on pricing and availability as the months go on and draw closer to Computex, but it was just a nice way of ADATA showing off what they had to offer and what's kind of in development at CES 2019. Let us know in the comments section below, is this something you'd buy, or are you sick of the whole kind of RGB craze that's going on at the moment? Personally, I actually like the way that this is heading, and it'd be really cool to see what kind of effects and stuff you'll be able to do with this, and of course if you're going to require any proprietary kind of software, or if you can control this through Asus AuraSync, MSI, Mystic Light, Gigabyte Fusion, and many other motherboard manufacturers' own software. Like I say, let us know in the comments section below if this is something that interests you, and be sure to check out the rest of our CES 2019 coverage, and I will see you in the next video. See you later. Bye bye.